This is Eric, and my dad is and this is my first lathe attempt. My dad is going to mill an orange crayon. This crayon is about a few centimeters thick, and we're right about to turn it on and give it a try.
Ready?
Okay, ready. See, the crayon is spinning. Now we're gonna lock in the tool. So that tool is what jams into the crayon to cut at it. And you see the shrapnel, you see that orange stuff? That's the shrapnel from the operation. Well, if we had a big sized lathe, because this is just a plug-in one that I got for Christmas, we would need a lubricant to operate this. But since this is just a small scale one, we don't need a lubricant to operate this. Anyway, this is the up close of our first cut. You see, like the shrapnel's everywhere, but it was a pretty clean, unbelievable cut, surprisingly. Like that's like the cuts machinists do day to day.
Let's remove that. Look at that.
Just a second, I need to set the camera. That is our cut. You see, that is like a clean cut. Perfect one. That is like a super perfect cut. Well, let's try it again, shall we? So, re-aim the camera, and then, yeah.